Markers. Marker tool let us add vector markers and export them to unexternal formats. Limon also allows us to import layers with vector markers from other formats. To call up the tool, we use the Tools menu. Expand it by clicking the left mouse button and hover over markers. It's also possible to use the marker toolbar. There are icons to place a point, line, shape, circle and high marker. There are also options to rename a marker and to delete. In order to make working with markers easy, we can create groups. To do this, click the right mouse button on the markers in the Project Manager and select Add Group. After defining the group, it's possible to start adding markers. In the window, enter the name of the marker and specify the group where marker will be saved. For a point marker, simply click the left mouse button at the desired location. In the case of working with a marker, it's worth having the Property Inspector window enabled. It contains all attributes for each layer added to the project. These attributes can also be modified from here. For the line marker, double-click the left mouse button. It will be beginning at the end of the line. For the shape marker, each click of the left mouse button is another breakpoint. To close the area, simply click the right mouse button. For a circle marker, the first click is the snap point. The second click sets the marker diameter. The situation with the height marker is different. It measures the relative height between given points, so it's best to work in a vertical plane. To operate on such markers, it is best to make a cross-section to have access to a fragment of the image on a side view. With a height marker, it's possible to select the number of precision digits. To check the altitude between the points, simply click the left mouse button at the selected points. The marker shows the height of the second point relative to the first. Created markers can be saved externally. Select a group, right-click on it and choose Save Selected Markers. Next, select the path and type of file. It's possible to save markers in one of the available formats. You can load markers just by right-clicking on markers in the Project Manager, select Load Markers and select the previously saved file.